Hi guys, my name is Eshaal and I'm going to be showing you how to clean your room. We're going to organize your room, clean it, and put everything back where it belongs. And we're going to even give some toys away. If you don't want to give some toys away, don't. If you just want to give one toy away, it's your toys, don't worry. So first we're going to be starting with this part of the room. So we are going to be putting all our toys. We are going to be taking the big part of this box and we are going to be taking it right in the corner of our room. And we pick these tiny pieces up. And now we will always be doing a important part of our thing. We are going to be putting our books back where they belong. We're going to be opening some space for our books. Don't put them like this, that way. Let them see their name like that in your bookshelf. Whatever you call it, it can be a table, whatever you call it. We put it like that. Take your nice green book and take it and make some space. Put these books right in the front. If there's no space, don't worry. You can just put it on the top. It's your choice. And now we are going to be putting these nice boxes. You have to be a bit careful. You'll put that one right here. And now we will put the box's cover on. And now we'll put this box on the top of it. And now we're going to be starting with this. It's a bit fun with this because we're going to be putting these back. Then we're going to put that, that, and that, and that, and that. We'll be putting this one here. And now we're going to be making these letters. You can see them around your room, whatever sticks, just get it. And you'll get some letters over here. Put them back in. Get more, and more, and more. And there are some toys in the nice bin. We'll close the bin nice corners. And now we'll put it on the top of this. This is supposed to be going in your garbage. Our garbage collection. And now we are going to be starting putting this picture up. And the purse. And squeeze it. Squeeze. Put that up there. Wow. Squeeze. Squeeze it. Oh no. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze. We're going to put it right here. Squeeze that puppy. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And now if you're done, we are going to move this nice chalkboard. We are going to take our puppy that's nice and dry and not wet anymore and put him in our puppy bed. See that? It's so cute. We see that our puppies over here are all dry. And even this nice little animal. So we will be putting them in our animal place. getting our nice kitchen's door closed. No one gets food out. And we have this nice little carpet. Look. It's so cool. And let's get our things out. Here's our organized first things we're going to be organized. So just go right in here. Oh no, it fell out. Let's put it in. Close. Oh no. Where's the There's a prize box. And put it right in there. We will get our nice thing. And we're going to put it right over here. See all our garbage? This is the that uniform. There. And this one. And this one. जो चीजें यहाँ This is how you clean your room. Follow me for more fun videos, please. Bye.